So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Duda homepage and go to your home dashboard once you're logged in. So on here you can see sites, clients and team, custom assets, white label, business tools, resources, help, and you can see your icon. From here you can see account settings, billing, the language, and you can sign out. So first of all, let's go to account settings. So on here you can see profile. Let's scroll down a bit. You can see profile, you can see login info, account security, Google Maps integration, MCP server, and billing. So let's go to account security. If you go to here, you can see account security. You can use two-step verification for your account, and you can use two-step verification for your team. So the first one will make your account more secure by verifying your logins with an authenticator app, and this will enforce on all team members. They'll have to set it up next time they log in. So if you do this, it's going to be for your entire team, and they will get the pop-up to verify their login when they log in next time. If you wish to use it, you will need to use an upgrade to a basic plan to access two-step verification. So make sure that you have the correct plan and that you subscribe to the correct plan. After that, you can see the ability to publish sites, hosting on Amazon Cloud, website personalization, email support. Now this falls under website personalization, so adding a two-step verification through an authenticator app will be done through here, but you will just need to have the correct plan to do that. But it's quite simple. Just click on here and follow the prompts after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.